Good evening and welcome to the channel. Today we are in Business Bay and we are going to see the water canal. We're going to experience a lot of things because we are also going to try the Abra rides. I'm not sure where it will be going. So stay tuned. If you haven't liked or share and subscribe, please kindly do as we enjoy Dubai. So let's go. I'll see you in a bit. So guys, as you can see from a distance, we are almost there. And as you can see from a distance, you can see the waterfall. We are getting there. So let me just zoom a little bit. There guys, that's where the water canal is. You can check on the side there's Newton Abra City. That's and that other tower that's being built next to it. But yes guys, there in a distance there is the water canal. You can see it in its fullness. Oh, the colors popping. There it is. So as we approach the water canal, let's just walk. So from the metro, that's like 1.5 kilometers. So guys, we are now at the water canal. So the water canal is, the water will be flowing on the sides of the road. There's a road above us, if you can hear. There's a road above us. Then these are the two flowing. That's the right flowing point. Then the other one will be the left. So this is like a path where you can walk, take a stroll, like see other people are just having some fun. You can stroll, you can ride bicycles, you can take nicer pictures, you can rent. They are carrying bikes over there that you can rent the bikes. Then just have so much fun. The place is a bit noisy. I'm not sure if you can hear me properly. So here, these are the bikes. You just rent your bikes and scooter or a scooter, just rent what you want. Just rent. Then like what they're doing, just rent, then you go around the park having. So it's a good place to come to relax. Take nice pictures. I can see there are nicer buildings, just like the Damak Tower. So yeah, so guys, yeah, that's the place. We are at the water canal. Let me just give you. So this is how beautiful that they look. So if you can see the side. Many people just come here to relax, take nice pictures with the falls. So usually what happens is when the boats are now passing, the waterfalls would then like part, like there will be maybe like 2 or 3, then the boats will pass like just under the bridge. So the water will stop flowing depending with the size of the boat. Then the boat will then pass. So what we're going to do, we're going to try and see if today we'll be able to ride a boat. If you can see on top there, the metro is passing by. So yeah, it's a good view. So guys, let me just walk towards the boat, then we can see if we can cross this and have fun. So guys, as you can see now, that's an Abra ride, like a water taxi. It's now passing, and you see there are now 3 water streaks flowing. You see the Abra boat is passing. There it is. There, yeah, it's there. So it's there, it's passing. So after that passes and there's nothing else coming, the water will cover. But as you can see, there's something else coming through, which means it will remain like this. There'll be a gap so that all the yacht, small boats, those will pass. So you see, like after something has passed, the water canal closes. Yes. So just a nice place where you can come and chill. You can see like there are benches where you can just chill. So let's get back to the canal. We can see that it was still open because there's a yacht that's crossing. You see that yacht? Yacht. Yes, that one that's crossed by. There's like a loud noise. There's so many people riding bicycles. And they're taking photos, families come here to chill and all that. So it's a good spot where families come to chill, people take photos, all those nights. So we are now on the other side of the canal. You see, this place is so beautiful. So this is the closest you can get to the canal on either side. Just by, there's just a walkway just by. So if you can check, there are so many constructions that are happening at the canal. So yeah, I think this is mostly the closest than on the other side. On this side, we are just closer to the waterfall. Yeah, definitely, because you can see there's a boat coming from a distance. So mainly, that's the most reason why the water is still open, because that boat is coming. So wait for it. Come by, then we just go over, we get on the Abra ride. If it's still open, then we also try to cross. So I'll be showing you as we'll be crossing through these gaps. Fingers crossed that they're still open for those rides, because last time I checked, they have a time where they'll just close, and also they'll close off the canal. So I think from what they told me last time, the best time to come is when it starts to get dark and it's a bit cooler, up to 10, when they will close the canal. Because if the canal is closed, there's nothing much to see, because it's just with the bridge without the lights and everything. But the walkway is still open, so you can take a walk and have some fun. It before they start closing off. Yeah, there are nice boats coming through. Check the color change, guys. It's now closing off. See how nice it is. So those are like traffic lights. It's now green, green, green. Signaling the boats on the other side to go. See, that's now green. Which means anyone who wants to cross this, they can cross. Yeah, that's another beautiful moment that we've been waiting for, guys. Let's take it all in before we go and get inside the Abra hotel. We also experience riding in a boat under the waterfall. Woo! Check, guys, how beautiful it is. It is so beautiful. So guys, there's that one. That one's beautiful. It's now passing. There's a lot of lights. As people would say, enjoyment. They have so much fun. So when we are crossing, we'll be crossing in a smaller one though, but we also have the same experience crossing under this canal. It's needed. So that one seems like they are ladies. Maybe it's a ladies' night or ladies' something. Okay, that one. Yeah, that's so beautiful. So definitely there's nothing that's coming, which means the waterfall canal, the waterfall will then close off. And check in the distance, there is the city. Beautiful. There, you see there's Burj Khalifa popping up in between those beautiful buildings, giving off that Dubai is beautiful at night. All these buildings will now be lit and the beauty of the town will come up. So definitely, here we are back to but definitely, guys, this is much about it. So what I'm doing now, let me try to go and check if they'll allow us to cross using an Abra. Right. So this is the office, guys. So let's just go in and check. Assalamu alaikum. Assalam. Are we allowed to get in the Abra boat?
Yes.
All right. So it goes to which place?
We have two types of the boats.
Okay.
AC boat is public transportation.
Yes.
From here to Waterfall, Business Bay, Al-Wajiha, and Marais.
Yes.
And round trip by boat, by open boat.
Yes.
Round trip, 25 dirham per person, but minimum 60 tickets, 150 dirham.
150 dirham.
Round trip, 45 minutes and coming back here.
Okay. What about public transport?
Sorry?
The public transport.
Transport.
Yes.
Next trip,
So what time?
8:45 8:14 in 30 minutes.
It's 8:14. That's the 30 minutes. Ah, it's okay. So, all right. So the no cards still work. They work. All right. So guys, this is it. The next trip is at 8:14. That's when there'll be the next trip. So let's just wait. So this is the boat, guys, that we're going with. This is it. So we'll just go, then cross through the canal to the other side. This is a beautiful place to just come through and chill. You come with your kids, you come with your friends, you chill, you just sit around. I've seen many people running around the canal, taking nice strolls. Some are cycling. You just rent. Like if you walk down the canal, there are bicycles, carrying bicycles. So you just rent a bicycle, then you just cycle around. If you check on the other side from a distance, you can see there are people cycling around. So yeah, you just rent a bike, cycle around the canal, then come back, put the bike back, then you go where you want. To get to this place, I use the metro. Yes, I alighted by Business Bay metro station. Then I walked 1.5 kilometers till I get to the canal. So you just alighted, then you take the Sheikh Zayed Road exit. Then when you're by the door, you take that'll be your right turn, then you walk towards the canal. Or what you can do is you just follow the road, then yeah, you get to the canal. So you just walk about 10-15 minutes depending on the pace that you be using. Then you get to the canal, then you ingest all the beauty of the canal. So definitely guys, this is it. And if you can see, there are so many beautiful buildings around here, so many beautiful hotels. So if you have to stay in one of these buildings at night, just comes down, then you take in. Yeah, so there is our ride, guys. It's now coming, so that we can board and we go to the other side, which means it gives us the opportunity to take a clearer or a closer video, as we'll be right under the waterfall. So that's an experience we are going to have. This experience, guys, like seeing the water canal, it's for free. You don't pay anything to come this side. Just get into your metro, your taxi, or you drive, you come through, it's for free. And getting into the Abra, the water taxi, I'm not yet sure, but it's either 2 or 5 dirham. It's most the same as getting into the metro, because it's like the public transportation that will take you from one point to the next. But today we're just using it so that we experience the view in a closer look. So there it is, guys, the water taxi getting to the station. So yeah, definitely that's our ride. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, so guys, we are now boarding, and apparently I'm the only one. apparently I'm the only one who's going on this ride. Definitely that's our ride. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm good. Yes guys, so we're now inside the water taxi, and if you can check on my left side at the back, that's the waterfall. So it will take that route, then take us anyway. The first stop, that's where we alight, then we just come back or we start touring that area. But basically this is how it looks. If you check, those are the control units. That smaller screen, the navigation screen, then we have the bigger screen on top, which will show the route. I'm the only one inside as we take. Assalamu alaikum. Assalam. So how far is the first station from here?
We have 5 stations.
5.
Yeah.
So we're going 5.
Yeah,
Then it comes back.
Going there and come back.
Come back.
Yeah.
All right. This particular one is coming back.
Yeah, same. Yeah,
Same. All right. So I think I'll see, because I'm just touring the place. So I'll just see, then I'll come back.
Okay.
Yes. Which is your best seat? Best seat where I can sit and see the.
Yeah, see. Here.
This.
Going time you can see Burj Khalifa.
Which or
that side.
this side we can see Burj Khalifa. All right. And so let me sit here.
Yeah.
So do you usually get people using this at night?
Only little.
All right. It's okay. Thank you so much.
Because now summer started, that's why.
All right. Or summer, so just a little.
Yeah. Winter time more people come.
Coming. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, summer it's hot during the day.
Yeah.
It's okay. So guys, you're about to leave the station. You can see the water has already parted, giving way to other boats that are crossing. We're still at the station, preparing to leave. And as you've heard, we've promised that we can have a nice view of the Burj Khalifa on our way. So let's buckle up and enjoy the ride. So we're now leaving the station, guys. under the canal, under the road. That's the waterfall. That's on it. As well as this side. That's our waterfall. So we just passed under. So if there's nothing coming, the waterfall will become full again. So from the distance, guys, there's the Burj Khalifa. So that's our first stop, guys. So many people are getting in. Many people are getting inside, so as not to make noise or distract other passengers. I'll just show you the views with some soft music so that we enjoy the ride as we go on. And I'll explain using captions whatever that we might need to experience. So I think we're going to take around 20 to 30 minutes exploring this place, the canal, just taking in the good views and having so much fun. So sit back, enjoy, and relax. And if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe, thumbs up. Just put a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share with your friends. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the view as we'll be going down. There we go. That was the last stop, and they say the next, if you want to go back, the next is at 9:04. So yeah, that's it. That was it for tonight, guys. So yeah, guys, it's just beautiful. Everywhere is beautiful. Initially, guys, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please do share with your friends for more travels where we just go around checking out new places, having fun along the way. Cheap fun as well. Usually we just do things that doesn't break the bank, but at the end we'll be having fun. This is your stop here. Just keep watching as we'll be getting towards the Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for the support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking and sharing. I hope to see you on another video as we'll be exploring further and exploring more places. Thank you, guys. I'm off to the metro so that I can go to the next place. Thank you, guys. Have a good night. Bye.